Hello Trisha, are you done with your packing?
हाँ ईशा, बस तुम्हें ही फ़ोन करने वाली थी यार. Some urgent work came at the very last moment. I'm extremely sorry. ईशा, हेलो. ईशा.
Finally, I'm here at Khajuraho Film Festival. You know what? I was so excited for it. Let's go.
The tradition of celebrating GIF was started 6 years ago when renowned actor, filmmaker and producer Mr. Raja Banerjee and Mr. Shushmita Mukherjee started this event. The main purpose of this event was to promote not only cinema but also the Bulindkhandi culture and art throughout the world.
The dignity of GIF increases manifold when it is attended by big media personalities, and I was very lucky since I got the chance to meet Piyush Mishra sir, renowned music lyricist and actor. Then I even got the chance to meet Mr. Ajit Rai sir, highly acclaimed film critic, and in the end I met Ms. Sushmita Mukherjee ma'am, the well-known actress and the one who commenced this event. As Sushmita ma'am told me that GIF always organizes workshops so that people over here could try their hands at filmmaking, arts and much more. And the best part is that it doesn't even matter if anyone is younger or older. सब साथ में सीखते हैं and सिखाते हैं. After such a thrilling day, I have come over to enjoy these wonderful stage performances put up by various spectacular artists, and this is the best ending for my day one at Khajuraho. So today we are at Khajuraho's Western group of temples, where the people from all over the world come to see its beautiful inscriptions in magnificent architecture.
So here we are at Vishwanath temple, made by King Danga of Chandela dynasty, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, as he is also called Vishwanath.
Lakshmana Mandir were built by King Yashovarman of Chandela dynasty and is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. So, when we talk about Khajuraho temples, हमारे ज़हन में सिर्फ एक ही बात आती है कि यहाँ के essential sculptures कितने famous हैं. पर जब हमने यहाँ के गाइड से बात करी तो उन्होंने ये बताया कि यहाँ सिर्फ 10% essential sculptures हैं, बाकी 90% यहाँ के social life को depict करते हैं.
So here we are at Kendriya Mahadev temple. It is the largest temple of Khajuraho, with Shikra reaching the height of 31 meters in length.
And this is the only temple over here जहाँ सुबह से लेकर शाम तक आप सूरज की किरणें गर्भगृह में देख सकते हो. देवी जगदम्बा temple, named after the presently enshrined image of goddess Parvati. In the southeast direction from Devi Jagdamba temple is Chitragupt temple, which is dedicated to Lord Surya Devta.
जितना ज़रूरी होता है कि ट्रैवल कल्चर को प्रमोट किया जाए, उतना ही नेसेसरी होता है कि ट्रैवल कल्चर को प्रिजर्व किया जाए. इसलिए हम आए हैं खजुराहो के आर्यभट्ट ट्रैवल फोक आर्ट म्यूजियम.
Over here You could see terracotta statues made up of brass, wooden carved mask, and Gordon Billy style of paintings with the essence of spirituality all around me. As the sun is about to touch the horizon, my second day at Khajuraho has also came to an end. My first 2 days at Khajuraho were very happening and enthralling. And since today is my last day at Khajuraho, I decided to spend it with complete relaxation. And while I was at Beni Sagar Lake, I recalled my wish of visiting the rural areas over here. Over here, I also interacted with the local people.
And जिस विलेज में मैं आई थी, I got to know that Mr. Ram Bundela ji, renowned director, was shooting a documentary on child education.
खजुराहो से जस्ट 1.5 घंटे की दूरी पर आता है the famous Cane Gharial Sanctuary. Over here, I spotted wild boars, jackals, nilgai, spotted deers, and many more. This is the first viewpoint, or even called the Sneh Point of Rinne Falls, and the river which is flowing through these rocks is called Karnavati River or Cane River. If we talk about Bundelkhand art and culture, the best way to explore it is only and only through shopping. In Khajuraho, the specialty of saris, dupattas sold over here is that all of them are made up of bamboo. Even if we talk about statues and ornaments are either made up of clay or brass. In the end, everything over here is actually handmade.
There is an overwhelming sense of achievement when we explore and accomplish something new. Khajuraho had given me some best memories that I will cherish lifetime.